they went to,
On the 4th of July.
yeah, Sarah and Noah went to watch fireworks, and a cousin of ours, his wife, they had this puppy, and told Noah that he could have the dog, and said if he didn't take it, he'd probably have to kill it. He'll probably die. They just have to turn it loose or whatever. So Noah called Nana and said, "Nana, can we have a dog?" Well, we've already got a couple of dogs. But Nana she's free. And besides that, we'll save her life.
Oh.
Well, of course, they came home with a dog. And we had no idea that we're acquiring a monster.
How big was she?
She was just little. She was just a big. Didn't know what we were getting.
And how much does she weigh now?
100.
Oh, at least 100.
Wow.
I'm not sure she's gonna weigh more than that.
And she's 10, 11?
10.
Muffin. Who's a good girl? Oh my goodness, look at that face.
Max weighed 125 pounds.